Daily life sentences. I enjoy going for walks in the park on sunny days. She usually eats cereal for breakfast before going to work. They like to watch movies together on the weekends. He often listens to music while doing his homework. My sister plays the piano very well. We often go swimming at the beach during the summer. Sarah always takes the bus to school in the morning. The cat sleeps on the sofa in the afternoon. He drinks a cup of tea before bed every night. The children play in the garden after school. Maria enjoys reading books in her free time. The dog barks loudly when someone knocks on the door. My brother rides his bike to school every day. We have pizza for dinner every Friday. Lisa always brushes her teeth before going to bed. Tom likes to play soccer with his friends at the park. It often rains in springtime. The supermarket is closed on Sundays. She watches cartoons on TV on Saturday mornings. I usually walk to the library to borrow books. The cat sleeps on the chair near the window. My mother cooks delicious meals for our family. The bus arrives at the station every 15 minutes. We often visit our grandparents on weekends. He wears a blue shirt and jeans to school. Sarah practices playing the guitar after school. They usually go shopping at the mall on Saturdays. I like to drink orange juice with my breakfast. Peter reads a chapter of his book before going to sleep. The birds sing in the trees every morning. I am currently studying for my English exam next week. She's cooking dinner for her family in the kitchen. They are watching a movie together at home tonight. He is playing video games with his friends right now. We are having a barbecue in the backyard this weekend. The children are doing their homework in the living room. She's talking on the phone with her best friend at the moment. He's reading a book in his bedroom before going to sleep. They are cleaning the house before guests arrive tomorrow. I am listening to music while I work on my computer. I am currently typing an email to my friend. She's cooking dinner in the kitchen right now. The kids are playing outside in the backyard. He is watching TV while eating popcorn. We are studying for our exams at the moment. They are renovating their house this month. It's raining outside, so I'm staying indoors. Sarah is talking on the phone with her mom. The dog is sleeping on the couch. I am reading a book about history these days. The sun is shining brightly in the sky today. My sister is learning to play the guitar. Tom is jogging in the park every morning. The company is launching a new product next week. We are organizing a surprise party for Jane's birthday. The construction workers are building a new bridge in our town. I am attending a yoga class every Saturday. They are planning a trip to Europe this summer. The baby is giggling while playing with her toys. The teacher is explaining a difficult concept to the students. My brother is studying for his exams at the moment. Sarah is practicing the piano in the living room. The neighbors are having a barbecue in their backyard. I am attending a virtual meeting with my colleagues right now. The cat is chasing a mouse around the house. We are painting the walls of our bedroom this weekend. They are learning how to cook Thai food at a cooking class. The birds are singing outside my window. The mechanic is fixing my car in the garage. He is trying on different outfits for the party tonight. I walked to school every day when I was younger. She baked cookies for the school bake sale last week. He fixed a leaky faucet in the bathroom yesterday. We visited the museum downtown last Sunday. They celebrated their anniversary at a fancy restaurant last month. I practiced piano for 2 hours every evening last summer. Sarah danced at her best friend's wedding reception last night. The children played soccer in the park after school yesterday. We watched a thrilling movie at the cinema last Friday. He finished his homework before dinner last night. I traveled to Italy with my family 2 years ago. She completed her project before the deadline last week. He fixed his bicycle after it broke down yesterday. We visited our grandparents during the holidays. They explored the forest trail on their hike last weekend. I attended a music concert downtown last month. Sarah sang a solo at the school talent show last year. The students completed their exams last Friday. We baked a cake for my sister's birthday party. He played basketball with his friends after school. I wrote a letter to my pen pal last night. She gave a presentation at work yesterday. He cooked dinner for his family on Friday. We hiked to the top of the mountain last summer. They visited the art gallery downtown last weekend. I attended a party at my friend's house last month. Sarah rode her bike to school every day last year. The team won the championship game last season. We planted flowers in the garden last spring. He played video games with his cousins during the holidays. I studied for my exams all week last month. She completed her knitting project over the weekend. He fixed a broken chair in the living room yesterday. We traveled to Japan for vacation 2 years ago. They attended a concert at the park last summer. I cooked dinner for my family last night. Sarah walked her dog in the park every evening last week. The children built a sandcastle at the beach last weekend. We visited our relatives in another city last month. He finished reading a book in one sitting yesterday. I woke up late for work yesterday morning. She baked a delicious cake for her friend's birthday party. He ran a marathon last year. We visited the zoo during our vacation in Florida. They watched a movie at the cinema last Friday. I completed a puzzle with my family last night. Sarah finished her homework before dinner yesterday. The students presented their science projects in class last week. We went on a road trip across the country last summer. He played soccer with his friends at the park last Saturday.